Let's start with our learning objectives. As you go through this video lesson, you are expected to: number 1, illustrate and calculate a specified measure of position of a set of data, which is quartile. Number 2, solve word problems involving real-life situations on quartiles for ungrouped data. Let us first recall on what are quartiles. Do you still remember? Yes. These are score points which divide a distribution into 4 equal parts. 25% of the distribution fall below the first quartile, 50% fall below the second quartile, and 75% fall below the third quartile. Very good. What about for ungrouped data? Can you tell me what they are? Yes. Ungrouped data is raw data that is not sorted into categories, classified, or otherwise grouped, usually written in number lists. Exactly. I am impressed that you still remember those terms. This time, let us answer this activity. Refer to the given problem, then answer the questions that follow. Write your answers on a piece of paper. So this is the problem. 15 moviegoers were asked how many minutes they spent watching movies in a day. The recorded data were as follows: 190, 180, 200, 150, 120, 90, 120, 100, 260, 160, 250, 180, 230, 200, and 220. Question number 1. Is the given data arranged from lowest to highest? If not, what is the proper arrangement? Very good. The answer is no. The proper arrangement is 90, 100, 120, 120, 150, 160, 180, 180, 190, 200, 200, 220, 230, 250, and 260. Question number 2. What formula should be used to solve for Q sub 2, or for the second quartile? Yes, the answer is Q sub 2 equals 2 times the quantity of n plus 1 all over 4. Question number 3. What is the lower quartile? Very good. The answer is 120. Question number 4. Using quartile scores, how can we solve for the median? Yes, we can solve for the median score by using Q sub 2 since they are equal. Question number 5. What is the upper quartile? Very good. The upper quartile is 220. This time, we will process the activity by answering the following guided questions. Number 1. How did you find the activity? Number 2. Did you encounter difficulty while answering the questions? Number 3. Are quartiles useful when applied in a real-life situation? Number 4. Do you have an idea on what are the steps on solving problems involving quartiles? For sure, each one of you has different opinion and answers regarding with my questions. But don't worry, we will recall again the formula for quartiles and we will discuss the steps in solving problems involving quartiles for ungrouped data in this video lesson. So, to solve for the position of the kth quartile, follow the given formula. So we have here Q sub k equals to k times the quantity of n plus 1 all over 4, where n equals to the total number of data and k is the position of the quartile. To solve problems involving quartiles for ungrouped data, follow the steps below. First, arrange the n data entries from lowest to highest. Second, find the position of kth quartile using the formula. Third, interpret the result. So let's try answering one example. As of June 12, 2021, active COVID-19 cases slightly increased to 850 due to the additional 62 new cases. Confirmed COVID-19 cases for Zamboanga City is now at 10,094. The recorded data for the top 15 barangay with active cases are as follows: 62, 59, 57, 54, 46, 46, 30, 29, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 19, and 19. What is the lower quartile of the recorded active cases of COVID-19 for the top 15 barangay? So we have here the steps and illustrative examples for you to follow step-by-step procedure. So let's have step number 1. Arrange the n data entries from lowest to highest. So from our given problem, we need to arrange it from lowest to highest. So we already have here 19, 19, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 46, 46, 54, 57, 59, and 62. Take note that based on the given data, n is 15 because there are 15 values. Step 2. Find the position of the lower quartile using the formula. So since we are determining the lower quartile, meaning that is the first quartile, so we have here q sub 1 equals k times the quantity of n plus 1 all over 4. Since we are determining the lower quartile for the first quartile, therefore k is equals to 1. So just substitute the value of k and then simplify the given quantities inside the parentheses. So 15 plus 1, that is 16, multiplied by 1, still the answer is 16, and then just copy the denominator, which is 4. Next, 16 divided by 4, that is equals to 4, meaning that is the fourth data. So from the arranged data, just count the fourth data. So we have here from 19, 23, we have 24 as our fourth data. So for our last step, interpret the result. Since q sub 1 is the fourth data, then q sub 1 is 24. Therefore, 25% of the data distribution fall below 24. So going back to our problem, so what do you think is the impact of pandemic in our society? Yes, so new normal is often heard nowadays as a result of the pandemic that is going on now. So there is a lot of new normal that took place in every daily routine, on jobs, on every government processes, and in education. Moreover, new normal breaks the norms that people have lived by. In the daily human routine, new normal means to wear face masks every time people go out. In government, everything must first be done through online. This time, let's have another activity. So we have here cardiovascular conditioning. So this is related to your MAPE subject. Cardiovascular conditioning improves circulation and strengthens the heart, lungs, and blood vessels. It builds endurance and strength for the heart muscle. Moreover, exercise conditions the heart to work more efficiently. 20 aerobics practitioners recorded the average time in minutes of their individual workout. The data are listed as follows: 70, 72, 68, 73, 43, 40, 45, 40, 74, 54, 80, 50, 82, 50, 65, 35, 62, 30, 30, and 55. So answer the following questions. So you may write your answers on a sheet of paper and then you will be given 2 minutes to answer it. Right after 2 minutes, please send your picture of your answers to my personal account in FB. So for letter A, arrange the given data from lowest to highest. For letter B, solve for the upper and lower quartiles, then interpret the results. So let's start. Okay, time's up. Again, please do picture your answers and then send it to my personal account in Facebook. So this time, let's answer the following questions. So first, let's determine or solve for the upper quartile. So before solving, so again for step 1, we need to arrange the given data from lowest to highest. So we have here 30, 30, 35, 40, 40, 43, 45, 54, 50, 50, 55, 62, 65, 68, 70, 72, 73, 74, 80, and 82. So for our step 2, we are going to use the formula q sub 3 equals k times the quantity of n plus 1 all over 4. So since we are determining the upper quartile, therefore k is equal to 3. And then n, that is our total number of values or total number of data, that which is 20. So 20 plus 1, that is 21, multiplied by 3, the answer is 63. And then copy the denominator. So 63 divided by 4, the answer is 15.75. So which is approximately equals to 16. So meaning we are looking for the 16th data. So for our step 3, so determine the value of the 16th data. So since the upper quartile is the 16th data, then q sub 3 or the third quartile is 72. Therefore, 75% of the data distribution fall below 72. Okay, next. So let's determine or solve for the lower quartile. Again, that is q sub 1 equals k times the quantity of n plus 1 all over 4. Our k is 1 and then our n is 20. 20 plus 1, that is 21 multiplied by 1. Still, the answer is 21, and then all over 4. 21 divided by 4, that is 5.24, or approximately equals to 5. So meaning that is the fifth data. So for our interpretation, since the lower quartile is the fifth data, then Q sub 1 equals 40. Therefore, 25% of the data distribution fall below 40. Great job! You're doing right. May I ask the president of the class to please do send also a copy of your solutions to your classmates who are frequently do not attend our lesson? Some of them are already working while studying, so let's help them also by sharing what we have learned. Do you have any questions or clarifications? None? Are you sure? Well then, let us check your understanding with assessment. Are you ready? Let's begin. So for the directions, read each item carefully and write the corresponding letter of the correct answer on a piece of paper. For number 1, find the first quartile for the following data set: 7, 9, 13, 4, 18, 3, 9, 10, 15, 8, 2, 6, and 9. Letter A, 6. Letter B, 9. Letter C, 11.5. Letter D, 6.5. For number 2, the teacher gave a 50-point special test to 10 students. The scores were 18, 36, 45, 40, 30, 38, 48, 27, 39, 25. If a student scored 25, in what quartile does it fall? A. The score falls on the first quartile. Letter B. The score belongs to the second quartile. Letter C. The score falls on the third quartile. Letter D. The score is higher than the third quartile. For items 3 to 4, refer to the problem below. A block screening of the movie Mindanao was conducted by a producer of the movie and came up with an idea to determine the ages of the viewers that watched the film. The data was taken from 15 samples out of the population of 50 viewers. The following were the ages: 15, 18, 20, 25, 19, 18, 15, 16, 30, 22, 15, 24, 17, 23, and 26. Question number 3. What observation can you make about the ages of viewers? A. Most of the viewer ages are above 30. Letter B. Most of the viewers are teenagers. Letter C. Most of the viewers are adults. And letter D. No observation at all. Question number 4. How many ages are above the third quartile? Letter A. There are 3 ages above the third quartile. Letter B. There are 4 ages above the third quartile. Letter C. There are 5 ages above the third quartile. And letter D. There are 6 ages above the third quartile. Number 5. The following data represents the number of biscuits in each student's snacks box. 6, 7, 9, 7, 8, 5, 10, 7, and 11. What interpretation can you draw using the following? First quartile is 6.5. Second quartile is 7. Third quartile is 9.5. Letter A. 25% of the number of animal crackers has a value less than or equals to 6.5. Letter B. 50% of the number of animal crackers has a value less than or equals to 7. Letter C. 75% of the number of animal crackers has a value less than or equals to 9. Or letter D. All of the above. Time's up. So this time, let's check your answers. So for number 1, the answer is letter D, 6.5. For number 2, the answer is letter A. The score falls on the first quartile. For number 3, the answer is letter D. There are 6 ages above the third quartile. For number 4, the answer is A. There are 3 ages above the third quartile. And for number 5, the answer is letter A. 25% of the number of animal crackers has a value of less than or equals to 6.5. For your assignment, we have the given problem. As of June 12, 2021, active COVID-19 cases slightly increased to 850 due to the additional 62 new cases. Confirmed COVID-19 cases for Zamboanga City is now at 10,094. The recorded data for the top 15 barangay with active cases are as follows: 62, 59, 57, 54, 46, 46, 30, 29, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 19, and 19. What are the middle quartile and upper quartile of the recorded active cases of COVID-19 for the top 15 barangay? You can also download this video lesson at the link of the given Google Drive so that you can review again our lesson. This has been a fun day of thinking, doing, and learning. Once again, this is your teacher, Teacher Francis, reminding you, in math, we give you solutions to every problem.